In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark on a CapCut video on PC. If you want to protect your edits, promote your brand, or simply make sure your content is clearly yours, adding a watermark is one of the easiest things you can do. The good news is that CapCut on PC makes this process very simple, and you can set it up in just a few quick actions. To begin, go to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Text tab. Once you're there, look over to the side panel and make sure Add Text is selected. This is where CapCut gives you the basic text options you can place directly into your project. From here, find the option labeled Default Text and click the blue plus icon on it. As soon as you do that, CapCut will place a text layer onto your timeline. You'll notice it appears as a text block, and this is what will become your watermark. Next, it's time to customize that text so it displays the name or label you want on your video. Click directly on the text block in the timeline to select it. Then move to the top right Properties panel, where you'll see the main text input field. In that box, type your brand name, website, or any watermark text you want to use. Keep it short and readable, since watermarks usually work best when they're simple and recognizable. After entering the text, go back down to the timeline and look at the right edge of the text block. Click and drag that far right edge all the way across so the text layer matches the full duration of your video. This is an important part of the setup because it ensures the watermark stays visible from the very beginning of the video all the way to the end, instead of disappearing after just a few seconds. At this point, your watermark may look too strong or distracting, which is completely normal. A good watermark should be visible, but subtle enough that it doesn't pull attention away from the actual content. To fix that, return to the top right Properties panel under the Basic Text Settings and scroll until you find the Opacity slider. Click and drag the slider to the left until it reaches 30%. Once you do that, check the preview window in the center. You'll see the text become much softer and more blended into the footage, which gives it a cleaner and more professional look. And that's it! You've created a text watermark, stretched it across the full timeline, and adjusted the opacity so it looks subtle and polished. You're all set. Done.